Hello everyone, welcome to yet another amazing video. Today I'm making pineapple carrot salad. Yeah, this is one of the salad that you can wow your guest with because it is a very simple salad that you can make at home. So let's go to the ingredients for today. We will need a pineapple which I've already chopped, and then we will need our carrots, and then we will need raisin, and then lastly we will need a lemon. And because I don't have lemon, I'm using lime. So if you are new in this channel, welcome, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow this YouTube channel together. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on cooking, homemaking, and lifestyle in general. And if this is the kind of content that you like, kindly subscribe so that we can grow together. So we go directly to our work for today, and then I will start by grating the carrots. So the recipe is extremely simple and to the point. So I've already peeled my carrots, so I'm just grating the carrot. I'm using not the small one, not the big one, just a medium size. And these so let's grate our carrots. Let me add this one. I'm using 3 big carrots. This is one of the salad that you should never miss in your presentation when you are having guests, because it is easy to make and directly to the point. I think that's enough. So basically that's it. So we are done with grating our carrots. We put them, and then we put they're there. Now next we go to our pineapple. I had already chopped it, so when you are using the pineapple, make sure that you ensure that the pineapple is very sweet. So what I'm going to do is remove the hard part. And then you chop into small pieces, very tiny pieces, as you can manage to chop. You make sure that your pineapples are tiny pieces. And if you can cut them in a pattern, the better. So I've decided to slice them into vertical kind of cubes. And let me taste to see. It's yummy, and it's sweet. So this will be a very nice salad. Sweet and nice that everybody will enjoy, even the kids. I think now those pineapples are enough. So you can see I've chopped the carrots, and then I've chopped I've chopped the pineapples, and then I've grated the carrot. So, and then we will mix them together. Just simple. You mix them together. I think that is like a ratio of 1:1, which is nice. And then now let me wash my hands first. You can see now my pineapple and carrot are in a ratio of 1:1. So next what I will add is raisin. The point is, if you don't have raisin, I've ever improvised with peanut, and it came out amazing. So if you don't have raisin, you can improvise with peanut, but not peanut butter, peanut. The peanut. So I'm going to add raisin. I think. Let me see. I think let me just add all of them, because my salad is big enough. So I got this type of raisin. I would have wanted to get the other ones that pop out, but I didn't have. And then lastly, I'm going to use the lime juice, but I'm just going to add like a teaspoon just to help with the tanginess of the pineapple, just to balance the taste. And guys, just like that, my salad is ready. My salad is ready. I'm just going to put it in the fridge for some few minutes to chill, and then we are done. I need first to taste and see how it's, if everything has married in very well. So let me taste, let me taste. I'm proud of myself. I've made such an amazing thing. I think this you can eat all of it. As in, it's sweet. Everything is just amazing. The pineapple was sweet enough, and then the carrot, add raisin, and then the lemon, the lime juice has brought in some tanginess. Yani, it's amazing. So guys, let me first eat this one so that we can conclude the video. And guys, just like that, my pineapple carrot raisin salad is ready. Try this recipe and then share with me. You comment below how the recipe turned out, and I'll be so happy to hear your responses. So kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that I can continue sharing such simple yet amazing recipe at home. See you next time. Bye, 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 bye. Let us enjoy it. It's amazing, amazing. So bye.